arch wall pouring. The material distribution system rotates and telescopes for pipeline connection, with manual fastening applied on site. Concrete slump, expansion, and air content are tested before the placement of the first concrete layer. Handheld insert vibrators are adopted for arch wall concrete compaction. The control system real-timely monitors concrete pouring volume, pressure, and construction progress, while infrared thermometers detect concrete temperature continuously. Adopting the symmetrical layered pouring process, the distribution system realizes balanced placement of arch wall lining concrete. Tunnel crown pouring. Concrete is poured into the crown via 3 inclined pouring holes. Crown concrete compaction adopts alternating operation of pneumatic vibrators and insert vibrators. The pouring process stops automatically once the crown void monitoring system gives an alarm, or when the pouring volume and crown pressure reach preset values. Formwork stripping starts when the concrete compressive strength reaches 10 megapascals or 70% of the designed strength. Equipped with automated technologies, this new intelligent lining trolley greatly improves the overall quality of tunnel lining construction. As tunnel lining construction technology continues to evolve, our lining trolleys will keep innovating iteratively. GOWE. Together, go further.